are a very busy council with a lot of things. So to give us the opportunity to come and assist with you, we don't take it for granted. We want to thank you very much. I'm sure you are wondering what has brought us here. What has brought us here? Mr. President, with advanced technology, the world has become like a global village. Anything significant happening in any corner of the world, as long as it is significant, it will be noticed by literally the whole world. I want to tell you, Mr. President, that your recent decision that stopped the extension of the president or overturned the president's decree and directed that the elections be held within the constitutional framework is something which was noticed by the whole world. By the whole world. And the African, your colleagues, the African Democrats, were elated to see what has happened in Senegal. When it was later confirmed by the Supreme Court, the Democrats were even more elated. So we come here on a very simple mission to congratulate you and tell you that this was not a mean feat. That's monumental. It is a decision that in our reading of the situation saved a constitutional crisis that was going to be there in this country. And you know, when there is a constitutional, a decision of the court, a constitutional decision of a council like this one, can easily send a country into chaos, into instability. I know it because it has happened in my country in the past, 2007, 2008, you recall. Some people didn't like the decision of the court at that time, and they went to the streets, and we had chaos in the country. It called in prominent people, including the late Kofi Annan, to go and bring peace in Kenya. So I want to assure you, Mr. President, that a decision like the one you made is a monumental decision, and as a forum, and as you have been told, which is there to promote the rule of law, we have simply come to express your fellow African judges' solidarity to what we did. And I urge that that's the way to go. In democratic states, as you already know, the major duty of a judge or anybody given the authority to administer constitutional powers is to tell everybody that, look, your powers are within this remit. Nobody has all the powers. The court, as a constitutional council, you operate within a given limit. The president operates within a given limit. But there must be a body which tells everybody that you can't go beyond your powers.